Here, we are not using subject. We will be using the console. This console. And here is subtitle. All right. And I'm still learning what you talk. I beg you. When I was in your class, everybody will talk around. This is my office. Please, I beg. And this time we'll spend together and let me know what to do. Every time you can talk to me, that's what when you stand. I want to start working like you want me to do. Now, when we figure this out, all we need to do is see that for the fine just bring it up. Some of you are talking, I'm reading the block letter. That's capital letter. Without the second page, just deal with the first page. Not the people that put it. You need to be just one. Just one. Feel and see password. Let's do that. Now, what we are starting, the reason why that one is out of date, we want to see where we met you and where you after the whole training. Again, with the practical exercise, there's no theory there. So, for this time, we'll be together with the same thing. So, we already know, but at least we know more. I want to believe that if not 100%, 80% of us we are familiar with the practical concept. But today, we know new things that you have not even known before. Can you give them better share? There's no okay. There's nothing down. If you take those ones that they are not conforming, let's get on it. Think appropriately. Don't think the ones that you don't know as excellent or as here. If you don't know there's no friend, that is why you are here. That is why we want to pray. Let's take it quick. We don't have time. You are even copying the game. Is there anything to copy this for? No, sir. And it's not going your head here. You can take the time. You check the floor very well. When you get into class, the floor was. Apart from that, you check very well. You cannot see cockroach. I don't think you can see mosquito. I don't think you can see cockroach. But even Spider-Man right now. fire or whatever you call it. So please, I want to beg you, if you are coming there, don't come with water so that you don't start bringing those things. I don't want to see rat here or leader. I don't see anyone around. So please, that is the reason why we are saying don't come here with anything. Anything you have, give it to your class. When you get there, you can sign it and see whatever you want. You have just few minutes to do that. Please let me have this form. Just sit here. Disregard the back page. If you are done, let me have my form. Please take it from those that have done. Take it from there. Be honest with that thing. Be honest with it. Be honest with it. Please don't delay. You don't really have much. I have just 10 minutes to stay. I will be able to do just a minute. And then let you know this. From next class, well, I can tell you what the situation was like. We have limited chairs. That means they're going to have one comfort set. Don't sit twice on a particular spot. You just one. You don't have a style. Sorry. My bad. Just take inside. That way. Let's be fast. If they are done, send it. We are still waiting for the point to cooperate. Get that to you. Disregard the second page. That's it. Let's be fast. There's no time. Sorry, the light is on. I'm really checking. Just to put it there on. I'm checking for you guys. Alright, while we are done. That place should not talk. Let us do the job. That's why the job is out. Okay, let's start from here. Once again, good afternoon, class. Alright, let's start from here. And this and me, my chair is seated on one wall. That's why I feel that somebody who was trying to drag my chair the other time. One of these chairs costs 1,500 naira. One. You can go and confirm. I don't know if you know that. One of the chairs are 50 pounds. 1,500 naira. So we can drag my chair for you. That's what we'll do. Alright, we'll start from this plan. Now, who can help me out with what this thing is called? Alright. I didn't need a full account. I need somebody who is very sure. What is this thing called? What is that thinking? Well, I have a different opinion. I don't think that guy. Okay. Who else can try? Who else has a different opinion? Stop me here. Who else has a different opinion? Alright. How do you know that? Let's get that from me. How did you know that you will when you get this from? Alright. So, you got it from there. Alright. listening good. What we came in to meet as far as the computer systems are concerned is this. Because we know that as we were growing up, this was commonly called a CPU. But let me know to you from today that this is not called a CPU, it is called a system unit. You had what he said. He said he had it from me. It is not called a CPU, it's called a system unit. Now, a CPU is a tiny device inside this box called a system unit. So what you always call a system, a CPU, is this. And I'll show you where it is. Now, what we have done, can we all see this? Can we all see this? Now, I'll show you some facts here. This thing I'm talking about, it's called the casing. It's called the casing. This is called the power part. And the function of the casing is more or less like a home, your house, or where we have. What's the function of where we have right now? It covers you, covers myself, it covers everything here. That is the function of this casing. Now, we have a power part. And the point of the power part is to pick a signal from the casing outlet and release one of these system units. And for it to do that, it has some cables connected to it. Now, this power part functions as many things as a stabilizer one, and at the same time, to ensure the proper current or voltage flows into this. So I don't think I need to mind this word. I will use from grammar to what is that? I mean, I don't know what the jargon is. I mean, I don't know what the jargon is. Alright, good. The jargon is not rubbish. Jargon is listening and listening, that's why you are in there. Depending on what you are talking about at that time, that thing is a jargon. When I start mentioning things like this, it's a jargon to people that are outside that don't think about it. But to you, my word, I'm understanding. That is why most of when you see doctors, they want to write a prescription. They will write everything on the paper and you will not be able to read. But when you take it to pharmacy or the pharmacy, what do? They will just get the stuff to you. To you, it's a jargon. To them, why they are so I listen to those things here and I expect you to understand. Alright, what we have done. This is the power part, and I said the function is to transmit power from the data outlet to the system unit. And to do that, you can see the cable is connected directly to the motherboard. There's something inside here we call the motherboard. There all the circuits are integrated circuits. The hardware resistors, all the components, as far as the electrical components are concerned, is here. Electrical components. Now we have here our CPU key. Look at this thing here. This is where your CPU that you always call your CPU. Under this, this is called EIC. EIC. Then INC. And the function of the EIC is to prevent it from entering onto the processor. We call it CPU. Or an igniter before the processor. Now, what you usually call your CPU is under this tiny thing here. If I remove this, then you will see what the CPU is. Just like the box I showed you. So henceforth, this is not called a CPU. And if anybody asks you, how do you know? Then you have to explain what the CPU is and how it is. Alright. Can you see me now? Okay. Where were we? The evening and the CPU is protected by the evening. Now we have a fan behind. Its function is more or less like AC. Send heat outside from here and bring this fresh air into this. Because if this system becomes hot, it damages the fat inside it. So its function is to bring air outside into this. Take the heat from here because the heat is generated on this engine. It takes the heat from the engine and outside. That's why most of when you move close to a system, discover that it's come from behind. The heat is coming out. And also we have another fan here. They function the same way. This fan protects the motherboard. This one here protects the whole system because this one brings air from outside into the system. Why this very fan brings the same air from outside onto this one? Then it function on where? On the motherboard. Now there's something you always call the memory. Memory is into two. We have the RAM and we have the ROM. I'm not asking you to pray to pour up answer for me. Let me go. I know you know. You know very well. That's why I don't know. I know you know very well, so allow me. Okay. Now, and let me tell you again. If you really want to enjoy anything, I'm not a teacher, mind you. I'm an instructor. If you want to enjoy anybody who is teaching, you don't get it in front of you. You're ready. You cannot learn. So please, yes, I'm not going to smile with you, but let your face at least let it smile. Because you can't learn, because what you've been looking at is my back, my body, my head, my chest, my chest. So, focus on what I am saying and let's tell you that I'm not going to say that I don't like. Seriously, I don't like. I don't like. I'm really like. And I can see that you are calling at me, I'll tell you, I'll say, and don't oversmile at me. All right. Don't buy the way. That's don't buy the way. Leave that side. Now, there's something you call the memory. It is two, the RAM and the ROM. We call one RAM, random access memory. The other one read only memory. I hope I'm not too fast. Yes, random access memory and we have read only memory. Now look at what we have here. This is a memory. And it's what we call the RAM. This. And its function is to store information and process it immediately to the motherboard. Store information and process immediately to the motherboard. That's the RAM. Now the RAM is so two also. We have the D and we have the C. C is SIWS. The D is DIWS. The C is single inline memory module. The D is double or dual inline memory module. Whichever one we want to use, that's double or dual. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this down is to know the function. Now, the ROM. The ROM also functions the same way with this, but it's not visible. You can't see. That's the most time when you put on the computer. When you turn on the computer, it's 10 minutes, and you check your monitor. Or you check the monitor of the screen. You see some readings underneath right here. So this is the reading. That's the function of the ROM. It's helping you to process data from here. And it tells you it's process the power level, process that the next level, process next and that function. But that's just by the way. Now, if you look at this thing, most of us have been seeing this. This is called the CD-ROM drive. It's called the CD-ROM drive. What you put inside is what is called the CD-ROM. You get to get the CD on the chip. It's the CD-ROM drive. What you put inside is the CD-ROM. Sorry for that. Now we have the hard disk drive. It's the cases that have the hard disk itself, what we call the hard drive. And then our hard disk should be here. This is what you are seeing here. But this cover here is what we call the case, which is the hard disk drive. Here the hard disk is space. Also, we can add a floppy disk drive, but I don't have it because it's outdated. We don't use any. Now, what am I? Somebody from SSC called it a television. Hey, after all, you call it a television. So why is it that? And somebody called this also a UPS. It's not a plan you want to know through. That is why it's not. These are things you know. Don't know that you don't know. You don't know that you don't know. That's why you don't know that you are about everything. Somebody calls it a television. And until such a person got here, when you came here, what did you call it? When you first came here. So it took you. So last thing I told you was it. So it's not a crime. That is the same way, same thing because of it. And the way I can convert this monitor to a television, I can convert it to be a television. But it's not be a television just anyhow. It requires some other connection. You are not used to that yet. When you do it, I'm not used to it. When I'm seeing the work and the doctor, what do you want to do? Alright, that's not funny. But check the back. Before we go into that, this is the monitor. We have, what is this thing called? The mouse. Alright. What is this thing called? Why are you scratching the why are you scratching it? Because you don't have my friend, that's why you are. This is the mouth part. And who can tell you the function of this thing? Yes. They can't hear you. Hey. I will start to do one of these things. We are saying, alright, next, the level of how to move crazy. If you see the table that is before you, check the table, you can tell how to move the table. Even without the mouth part, you can finish the mouth on the table. But the table you have in your class, you cannot use your mouth effectively. Underline my word effectively. I'm not saying you cannot use the mouth, but you can use it effectively. Now, we also have what we call the keyboard. Help me from behind. I guess what you got and what you call the keyboard. Bang. Alright, let's check that too. It's two. The man who of the table there. Alright, I want to show you something on the keyboard. I know you know the keyboard very well. Alright. Alright, look at this. Hello? Hi. Alright, this is just what I want to show you. If you are still with my phone, please pass the call. Anybody with my phone, or if you have not received my phone. If you have not received the phone. Alright. Oh no, please know what I mean. There should be another keyboard here. Check for another keyboard. Let me see. That's what I mean. Vamos. Here. Let's not move your hand like that. So, I was like, what am I doing like that? Alright. Okay, one thing is good, right? Hands up. Where is that go? What is the equal point? You know that there's no together down here. So, that's what you do. How many checks? Okay. Come on. All right. Now look at this. Alright, look at this. I want to show you something here. Now, these are called connectors. The mouth of entry, as far as computer is concerned, is called a connector. But if you look at this, the same keyboard, but different connectors. One is a USB, the other one is a USB. Here, not the one the guy says, they don't play station. But you can go and test for the use of PS2 after now. And if you have a phone across, you can check it. This is the connection. Now, it simply has a part in which you can connect all this. And the part is called a port. P-O-R-T. A port. Then it connects all the connectors into. Now, depending on the connector you have, check from the back of the system unit, or there are times that some of them are placed at the front of the system unit. Whichever way it is. Now ensure you check this mount very well before you plug it, so that you don't miss inside or you need to attend the unit. I'll put it back. Alright, let's go right here. Then we also have the mount. But most times, we have three kinds of keyboards. We have the serial, we have the PS2, we have the USB. The serial is outdated, they don't use it anymore. It's more or less like the PS2, but it's bigger than this. Have you seen it before? I never seen it before. It's the mount is bigger than this. That's what we call the serial keyboard. Or you can have the serial mount. You can also have the USB mount or the PS2 mount. Now when you have all these, all you need to do is to place them appropriately at the back of the terminal. You have the port there. And also have port for speakers, external speakers, audio, and earphones. It is split. So it depends on what I tell you like that. So if you will be yawning, white standing, then you can see what happens. That's why you cannot. Alright. So, you fix this at the back. You can see the three ports here. Pink, lemon, light blue. And everything has different signs. Alright. Now, you place appropriately. Now look at this monitor. Now let me tell you what the cables are. There are some cables that you will be hearing here. We have a power cable, which is this, and it's normally to pick signal from the H outlet to whatever you want to connect it to. We also have a mouse cable, and you have the keyboard cable, and you have what we call a network cable. And this function is to allow internet, when you have internet for connectivity, to place in here. Automatically, a green light or whatever indicator will be on, telling you that these have been connected. I know you were thinking before. Oh, it's here. Sorry about that. So I'll get another one. That's the function of the network. I'm saying all this, I don't think you get that. You are trying to control. Now let me say this quickly again. Now, we've conducted 4 classes and we are 6 classes. And the same time we have 7. After the whole exercise, what we are doing, completion at the end, they are doing the competition. And you want to see the best of the best. Now, not just the best of the best by class. We will do the best of the best by class. We will do the best of the best by, what do you call your hand? A-G-C-R-E. We'll pick more from A to after, okay, this is A. We pick one person from the other. will get, so they will bring them together again. They will do another training for them. You pick one that will represent Halloween. You pick one that will represent, you pick one that will represent the Halloween that you have around. And schools are the competencies of in every sentence that you can write it all in data. That is out. Sorry, I didn't show you what it is. It's a flash drive. We also have what we call a memory card reader. It functions the same way. And what is to store information? The same way we have the hard disk, we have the floppy drive, and we have the sorry, the hard disk, the floppy disk, and the floppy disk is the two. We have 3.5, and we have 5 inch. 5.5 inch. One is bigger than the other. Now, I want to show you something. This is now, if you see this, look at this very well. Look at this. This is called a VGA. A VGA connector. A VGA connector. And what you do with this is it receives signal from the system unit and transmits to this monitor. This is a monitor. This is a screen. Monitor, screen. So don't call this place a monitor. The whole of this is a monitor. This standalone is a cable. The whole of this is what? Alright. So when you start adding cable, you want to tell me that I show you like there's nothing inside. I know you don't be standing on that one. That is the effect. Alright. So I want to show you what this is. The VGA. And all you need to do is what this is. Check the command. It has some things in it. If by chance you mistakenly bend one of the things, this will not work again. And this will not work again. If by chance. And you have to make sure that it's well started, well placed. Now by the side, it has some screws, 2 screws, that you need to know. For what doing that, the reason is this. If you did not do well, it will not receive signal. Now let me know what this is. We eat from this. We engineer eat from this. Yes? Why is this coming? You were here earlier, and you were the one that wanted to dance with my kid, I remember. Right? But you know the one starting on the table. But you know the one starting on the table. And I remember now. So why are you just coming? And I even throw that thing away. Why are you just coming? To do for welcome. Alright, I was on the video. I was saying something like, here we go. Now, assuming you happen to be the time, what is I need to and a problem. And you complain that your system is not coming on. Your monitor is not coming. When you call the system, this one is not coming. Okay? You have come to me and said, what I will do is first check. We'll find solution. We'll get a solution for you. Now, why you are putting the same way as the problem? What I will do is this. I check for this. Look at the map problem and see where you get it. Then I press it here. And I come to this and I see the hole. Of course, you are not seeing what is happening here. Right? The moment I discover what the fault is, what I will do is this. I'll just remove it and I'll tell you. Mother. Check it. And of course, you will tell me how much, right? And how long? Right? Now, while you are that, I will say again, madam, this is not affect God very well. Of course, because you have the money, you say, okay, I said, how much? Alright. Alright. Just 2,000 naira. So sometimes, following the 10,000. You didn't start out. Now 2,000 naira. And you ask me how long it is, and I'll tell you, take out in 6 days. Something I can do within seconds. Of course, you will take it. 20,000 naira. All you need to do is connect it. Enjoy the properly school. I said friendly school, not cycling school. If you mistakenly cycling this for too long, it will wear out. I want it here. It is done. And I make it friendly school. And I check. I think that is bad. To monitor it. Did I change anything? Have I not made 20,000 naira? Have I not made 2,000 naira? Of course, 3 days after, the madam will come. The guy is ready. Any other problem? You can bring more of that. You can bring more of that. That's what we specialize in. We are not working like mechanics. We have to. We have coffee. This is my high school. This is my the reason why I'm showing you this, in case there is a problem when you put up a system and it's not coming up, here and there to solve before you even take it to all the engineers. That is what those electronic guys do when the DVD starts. Yes. I love to use the example very well so that you will know why this is important. When your lens is bad and by chance, I think this guy will say, it sounds very bad, and of course, 2 5, that's how it is. The link of changing length is 1 5. I think try changing length is 1 5, that will mean. But I know you have paid 1 5 and you leave. The guy will just speak because he moves and hear it. Open the DVD. Why? That's no price. This is what they do. Open the DVD and just use it. Things are good. To clean the leg, that's the end. After that, they open it back and they give back after the leaving you have been working. Of course, you take it to your house, you will be fine. 2 weeks after, start out with. And of course, if you turn to this guy, the first person you ask is, madam, what did you take? You can remember how many people you have taken inside. If you gave it to you. And you will reach that. That of it. After pray, that's the one. And after that, the while arguing, the guy will be definitely with you. And you don't have a choice. You need to like, and what do you do? You will not expect you to pay because you need to ask you to pay another one. You know, you have to pay another one. Problem. What you are advising to do is now the resident is sold already. Maybe you need to buy it. How much is it to you? 5. When I come back, 5,000. So somebody has prepared 1 5 before, and somebody has to give another 1 5. What will you rather do? You don't buy a new one. Now nothing is wrong. Now this is not the thing. This cannot be repaired. It's not the television that you repair. Monitor cannot be repaired. I said that I'm not doing a second on monitor. They have one show me so that I can learn from them so I can start making mistakes. Because this is sold for 2,500 naira. And if I will repair it, that's okay. It's not as good as it. When you spend 2,500, 3,000, depending on it. It's that cheap. It's that cheap. So, come up and buy another. That's what I'm telling you. Now, once it's back, for you to repair anything on this, you will need to spend close to the amount you use to purchase a new one. So, what would you rather do? Buy a new one. Now, why do you have that? They have shown how to connect it. I will talk about the function. Now, the experiment I failed to mention, not that I failed, but I already do at the head of the class, and it's what we call the UPS. And UPS, function and stabilizer, it helps to power up the system constantly and ensure that it doesn't happen. Some of us know all this, but just think the little point, at least, if not that they have been anything at all, today, you know this is not what it is. You are not even getting anything, and if you know this is not what it is, it's called a therapy. Alright. You have to know like that. Now, the UPS, hold on, that's not time for question. You ask. Now, look at this connection. Alright, now I'm writing this one, don't mind. So just look at it. Now, this is what we should have. Not the color of all is this. And it should not, I will advise. How about the system is without it? So I'm going to tell you. We have to kind of system is. We have what we call a TOA and a DECTO. TOA is like this. A DECTO is like this.